I'm not really sure if we're going to see SDP tonight or not. It's up in the air. We shall see. But for now, kicking off the weekend vlog, weekend shenanigans, back at it, back from Chicago. Now we're going to go check out Stone Temple Pilots here at the Marion Stadium. Let's go. As we made it in, we're here at the stadium. About to walk around, see what type of food and drinks and stuff they got going on. Where you at? Oh, there she is. She's hidden behind me. Right, look who we found, guys. Say what's up to the vlog. We found Mike. Little G's here. Yeah.
I'm fixing right now. Okay?
All right. There goes Mike. Luckily for us, we're underneath an awning, so we're still rocking. Alright guys, every person here is literally underneath the awning, sheltered from the rain. It's freaking pouring out there. So we'll see if the show continues or not. It's supposed to rain heavy for the next hour. So I'm not really sure if we're going to see SDP tonight or not. It's up in the air. We shall see. But for now, we're going to try to find some food because we haven't done that yet. So let's see if we can get a hold of anything. If not, well, then oh well. Checking into the vlog, tired as shit, almost falling asleep. We'll see if they actually clear the stage or not, get them on. They got blowers out, tarps and all that, we'll see what happens. So what do they got here? You want to check this out?
3 hours later.
Holders, you guys coming down?
Alrighty then. That's way better.
Yes. Thank you. Energy. Nobody get hurt now, okay? Everybody good? Anybody caught in there? You guys okay? Box holders, we owe you, man.
They told us we can play one more song because of the rain, so we're gonna do that shit right now.
Rained out, guys. We're completely soaked.
Drenched.
We literally just ran out of the concert. They played like 3 songs. They played their final song and everybody ran out of there. It's a freaking monsoon. STP, we came, we saw, we conquered.
We rocked in the
We're
rain.
soaking freaking wet, but we rocked out. Let's
Worst
go.
time to wear my 90s jeans. I'm soaked up to the knees.
Good morning guys, on with the vlog. Last night we got rained out at STP, but we still had a lot of fun. But now we're gonna head over to the Marion Farmers Market. We have 2 shoots with 2 businesses to do this morning, a little work and play combo. And then we're gonna pop over to Mum Day at the Patch. We're gonna check that event out and also say hi to our friends over at Drizzle. Let's go. Bring you over there. This is my personal, behind the scenes vlog. So I'll take you guys out to the market to show you, but we just got done shooting for Lisa's Kettle Corn. Jerry was a super awesome guy. He has a business that he started here right after COVID, him and his wife Lisa. And so we came out here today to do some shooting for him and his wife and his Kettle Corn company. It was really fun to do, so can't wait to see how that turns out. He was super excited about it, which got me super excited to create it. Check out Garza's Grill. Mom's already gotten into her brisket and cheese. How is it so far? Delicious.
Brisket and cheese and salsa.
Good stuff, guys. Breakfast burrito. Alright guys, we met up with our friends at Drizzle Donuts. We got some pumpkin pie donuts.
Donuts for the win, baby.
right, guys, we made it to Apple Fest, Murfreesboro Parade. We're about to check that out. Something we like to do every year. Good little festival down here in Southern Illinois. Love the small town, small community events.
Apples.
And apples. Love living like the small community events and stuff like that. Make living here better.
Simpson. Baylin's 5 years old. She says, I'm not riding, I want to drive. Through the Apple agents. Apples through the agents. Here comes Potosi High School.
You're the man, thank you.
Let's go.
Alright guys, that concludes the parade part. Now we're gonna go find some food. You know, the trip, the adventure wouldn't be complete without something to eat. So let's see what we can find, guys. Let's go. Yeah. Just got some cold apple cider slushies from the Murfreesboro Apple Fest. Let's go. Fire.
Oh, delicious.
Decided on some taco gems, guys. One of the only food trucks in Southern Illinois that we're gonna stand in line for.
Okay. 66. Birria beef, 3 tacos. Sure. And then the street corn, please. That'll be about 18. Thank you. Give me 1 second. I'll have that ready. There you go. Good. And you all are number 70.
Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. Let me get a picture.
Alright, y'all, taco gems. Got the elotes. Let's try it out, let's see. Phone's gotta eat first, so always getting in trouble for trying to go too soon before we get the vertical phone pictures.
Perfect.
Tacos are hot. We'll report back in a minute. Alright, back at it. Let's see. A little lime on there. We don't have a napkin, do we? Okay, we do.
Festival. We just had some birria from Taco Jim's.
Delicious.
And of course, now we gotta find something sweet to eat.
How are you? Can I get 2 waffle cones split vanilla and chocolate?
Yep.